Build anything with Claude Sonnet 4.6. Claude Sonnet 4.6 just dropped, and it comes with a 1 million token context window in beta. That means you can now feed it an entire business, an entire code base, an entire year of data all at once. This is not a small update. This changes what AI can actually do for you. I'm going to break down exactly what's new, what it means for your business, and show you real examples of how to use it right now. Stay with me because the stuff I'm going to show you at the end, most people don't even know this is possible yet. So first, what even is a context window? Think of it like working memory is how much information the AI can hold in its head at one time during a conversation. Old models had a tiny window, maybe 4,000 tokens, maybe 8,000. That's a few pages of text. Then GPT-4 pushed it to 128,000, Claude pushed it further, and now Claude Sonnet 4.6 is hitting 1 million tokens in beta. 1 million, that's roughly 750,000 words. That's about 12 to 15 full-length novels. That's your entire business documentation, your SOPs, your email history, your website content all at once, all in one conversation. And here's why that matters more than most people realize. Stick with me on this. The official release says Claude Sonnet 4.6 is their most capable sonnet, yet a full upgrade across coding, computer use, long context reasoning, agent planning, knowledge work, and design. Every single one of those categories just got an upgrade. This isn't a patch. This is a full model upgrade with a context window that most people haven't even started to wrap their heads around, and I'm going to show you how to actually use this practically for your business, real prompts, real use cases, not theory. But first, let me explain why context window size is the thing you should actually care about. Here's the problem with small context windows. When you're working with AI on a complex task, let's say you're building out a content strategy or writing email sequences or doing market research, you constantly hit a wall, you paste in some info, the AI forgets the earlier part of your conversation. You have to re-explain things. You lose continuity. The quality drops. That's the context window limit working against you with 1 million tokens. That wall basically disappears for almost everything a normal business would need to do. You can paste in your entire brand guide, your customer research, your competitor analysis, your product documentation, and then just talk to Claude like it's read everything, because it has. That's genuinely new. Now let me show you how I'd actually use this for something real. Say I want Claude Sonnet 4.6 to help me grow the AI Profit Boardroom, our community for business owners who want to save time and scale using AI automation. Old way, I'd have to break everything into chunks. Paste in some context, ask a question, paste in more context, ask another question. It's slow, it's fragmented. New way, with 1 million tokens, I paste in all of the AI Profit Boardroom sales page copy, every piece of member feedback we've collected, our email sequences, our onboarding documents, competitor community breakdowns, and a transcript of our top performing YouTube videos. Then I say, based on everything I've just given you, our community positioning, member feedback, competitor landscape, and content performance, build me a complete 90-day growth strategy for the AI Profit Boardroom. Include content pillars, lead magnet ideas, email sequence frameworks, and conversion optimization suggestions for the sales page. One prompt, entire business context, a real informed strategy, not a generic one. That's what changes when you go from 128K tokens to 1 million. Not just, here's a cool AI tool, but here's how to build systems, automate workflows, and use AI in a way that actually moves the needle for your business. If you want to learn how to save time and automate your business using AI tools like Claude Sonnet 4.6 and build the kind of deep context prompting systems that get real results, the AI Profit Boardroom is where you want to be. Link in the description and comments. Let's talk about another thing. This unlocks something I haven't seen many people talk about yet. Anthropic specifically called out long context reasoning as one of the upgraded areas, and this matters because it doesn't just mean Claude can hold more information, it means Claude actually thinks better across that information. This is huge for analysis tasks. Imagine you've got 6 months of YouTube analytics, 6 months of email open rate data, and your full content calendar all pasted in at once. You can now ask Claude, what patterns do you see across all of this data? What types of content are driving the most engaged subscribers? Where are we losing people in our funnel based on the email data? What should we double down on and what should we cut? And because it can hold all of it at once and reason across it, the answer it gives you is actually connected. It's not just answering based on one slice of data. It's synthesizing across everything. That's a different level of analysis than what was possible before. Now let's talk about agent planning, and this one matters if you're building AI automations or using Claude in any kind of workflow. Better agent planning means Claude is smarter at breaking down complex tasks, sequencing steps, and executing multi-step processes without losing track of what it's doing. For the AI Profit Boardroom, this is exactly the kind of stuff we help members build. AI automations that run parts of your business for you, lead gen systems, content pipelines, customer onboarding sequences. When the model doing the planning gets smarter, the automations get better. It's a compounding advantage, and most people are not thinking about it yet. Here's another practical use case. Let's say you're creating a new landing page for the AI Profit Boardroom. Before Sonnet 4.6, you'd write a prompt, get something generic, then have to keep feeding it context about your audience, your offer, your positioning. Now you paste in your entire customer research file, every piece of feedback you have, your current page, competitor pages, and a swipe file of high-converting landing pages. And then you say, write me a complete high-converting landing page for the AI Profit Boardroom. Use the customer language from the research doc, mirror the emotional triggers from the swipe file examples, fix the weaknesses in our current page, and differentiate us clearly from the competitor pages I've included. The goal is to convert business owners who are curious about AI automation but haven't committed yet. What comes back is not a generic page, it's a page that knows your audience, knows your competitors, knows your current weaknesses, and writes to all of it. That's what full context prompting actually enables. Now, let me talk about something that's coming that you need to be thinking about. This model is in beta with 1 million tokens, which means it's rolling out and not everyone has it right now. But it's coming, and the smart move is to start thinking now about what you do with it. Because here's the thing, most people are still using AI like it's a search engine. Ask a question, get an answer, move on. The people who are going to win with AI are the ones who treat it like a senior team member who has read every document their company has ever produced. That shift in how you use it, that's what the 1 million token context window makes possible. And this is literally what we teach inside the AI Profit Boardroom. Let me give you one more use case that I think is completely slept on: coding and computer use. If you're building any kind of AI-powered tool, automation or app, even a simple one, Claude Sonnet 4.6 with 1 million token context means you can paste in your entire code base, not just one file, not just one function, the whole thing. Then you ask it to debug, refactor, or build on top of it with full understanding of how every piece connects to everything else. If you've ever had Claude give you suggestions that break something else in your code because it couldn't see the rest of the file, that's the context window problem. Now it's mostly gone. For the AI Profit Boardroom, we're working on AI automation tools for members right now, and the 1 million token context window changes how we build those and how fast we can move. So let me wrap this up. Claude Sonnet 4.6 comes with a 1 million token context window in beta. That's 750,000 words of context in a single conversation. It's a full upgrade across coding, computer use, long context reasoning, agent planning, knowledge work and design, and it's the most capable Sonnet model Anthropic has released. The key shift it creates is simple. You can now feed entire businesses into the model and get outputs that actually reflect all of that context, not just one slice of information. All of it at once, working together. If you're on Claude, start pasting in more than you normally would your full product documentation, all your customer research, your complete email history, and see what comes back when Claude actually has everything. Stop treating it like a search engine. Start treating it like a team member who's read everything. And if you want to go deeper, the systems, the SOPs, the full playbook for using AI automation to grow your business, that's exactly what we're building inside the AI Profit Boardroom together. Now, if you want to dive even deeper into AI automation, I've got something special for you. I run a community called the AI Profit Boardroom, the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds with AI automation.